Hello, my name is Sergiy Panasyuk and I'm a professor of the Concordia University. Today we'll talk about Constitution and bodies of public authority. The Constitution of the United States starts with we, the people of the United States. The Constitution of France starts with the French people solemnly proclaim. And the Constitution of Ukraine starts with the Parliament of Ukraine, Verkhovna Rada of Ukraine, on behalf of the Ukrainian people. Oh, it's strange, yeah? Also, maybe you have heard such statement. Every nation has the government it deserves. And it's true. Think about it. And I am convinced that every citizen should know Constitution. Public authority is our manager. And I think that we have to know about our rights, about their responsibilities, and in my opinion, they have to serve us. It's very important. Every day, they have to get up in the morning and think, what should I do today to make life of my nation better? I ask people about their future cell phones and about reasons why they will buy such phone. And 90% tell me that they search a lot of information about their future cell phones. But when I ask about their future representatives, they told me that they didn't search any information. Why? I think it's terrible, because we have to know our representatives. So, when people search information about their future cell phones or about movie, they are more responsible than when they are elect for their future representatives. And in real, we have results. In Kiev, capital of Ukraine, we have huge problem. I name it Ukrainian Municipal Ice Bucket Challenge. Every year, in spring or in summer, our people can take a shower but without hot water. And I think that the reason is because our representatives think or became our masters, and we people became their slaves. Do you know that all municipal companies, like a Kiev Metro, like a Kiev Bus Trans, they are our property of local community. We are the citizens, and we are the source of public or state or local power. And we have to know basics about relations between people and between public authority. Unfortunately, in accordance with last statistics, just 10% of our citizens read the Constitution. But 60% want to change it. Why? How can you want to change something if you have not read it? It's ridiculous. We don't read and we don't know our Constitution. So we don't know our rights, our responsibilities. We can't be a source of the state or public or municipal power. So, what should we do? We should read Constitution, we should know our rights, we should control our representatives. And if you know our Constitution, we would know basic myths of our Constitution. For example, Ukrainians can't have second or foreign citizenship. It's not true. Second, we have absolutely right on social payment. And our rights can't be limited. It's not true. So, please remember, our officials, they are not gods. They are our managers. Second, we have to know and understand constitutional provisions. And third, we have to control our representatives. Think about it and have a good day.